Welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a person into a cartoon character on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut apps and click on New Project. Add the photo that you want to edit because the effect just for a photo. So just click a photo you want to edit, this one, and click add at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original photo like this, but in here in this tutorial I want to change a person into a cartoon character. So just click on the photo, and then click on the style, this one, click on it, and in here you can swipe until you can see a cartoon character. I'm sorry, a game cartoon, this one. Click on it and please waiting. After this you can click check icon at the bottom, this one. Finish. So that's how to change a person into a game cartoon character. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.